everyone, welcome back to Mindful Investing. Today I'm covering the 10th stock in my stock prediction series, and it's a big name in the semiconductor world. It's none other than ASML. The stock is down 5% year to date and 31% from its all-time high. So the question is this the right time to buy ASML? We'll go over its business model, look at the future projections, and also check some key technical levels to see if it's a good pick or something to keep on the watch list. First, let's understand what ASML actually does. ASML is a Dutch semiconductor company, and it's the only company in the world that makes EUV lithography machines. These machines are essential for producing advanced chips used in everything from AI and smartphones to 5G, electric vehicles, and even data centers. Their biggest customers are companies like TSMC, Intel, Samsung, and Micron Technology. They depend on ASML's technology to make smaller, faster, and even more efficient chips. Each EUV machine costs over $150 million. Yes, you heard it right. And ASML sells just a few hundred units per year, but with huge margins. So ASML isn't a mass producer. It's a high-tech monopoly with few competitors and extremely strong pricing power. In 2024, ASML reported revenue of 28.2 billion euros and net income of 7.5 billion euros. That's a profit margin of nearly 25%, which is excellent. Its main income comes from selling lithography systems and servicing and software upgrades for those systems. And this business is expected to grow with global chip demand increasing, especially with AI booming. Let's now move to the projections. Current stock price is $668 with current EPS of 21.85 and expected annual EPS growth rate of 18% with current PE ratio of 30.6. We can calculate the 1 year projected stock price would be at $788. That's about 18% upside in 1 year. And for 5-year projected stock price, that would be $1,529. That's 129% returns in 5 years. Now these numbers looks decent, but let me be honest. For a 5-year hold, I look for at least 200% returns. So for me personally, this is not a screaming buy at the current price, but it was a solid buy when it dropped below $600 just a few weeks ago. Technically, ASML is now bouncing off its 50-day EMA, which means a potential short-term rebound. But the next major support levels I see are $563, which is near the October 2023 lows. And the next big one is around $407, which is a strong long-term support. If it comes down near those zones again, I'll start watching more seriously. I do not own ASML right now. I think it's a great company with amazing moat, solid balance sheet, and future-ready business. But I want a better entry price or even higher upside. Also keep in mind, these projections change every quarter. So depending on their earnings, order book, and macro conditions. So I'll be watching their next earnings report, which is coming up in next week, and I'll reevaluate the stock again based on that. Let me know in the comments below. Are you holding ASML right now? Would you buy at this price or wait for a better entry? Also, if you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next stock in this series. Thanks for watching, and as always, invest mindfully.